All right, it is a bullish call on the payment space today. That is your call today. Mizuho Securities is initiating coverage of Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, and Square, all with buy ratings. The firm calling it a payments PM's guide to early retirement. Get it? It's your call today. Carrie, you own PayPal and Visa. Why not the others?
Well, we have over 10% of our portfolio in those two, so I think that's enough, Brian. PayPal is up 110% from the bottom in March. Visa has not performed as well, but it's starting to outperform nicely. It wasn't a sort of COVID-first stock, but it's in the second wave as things start to reopen. 85% of payments around the world are still made by cash or check. So there's begun this acceleration through the pandemic of digital payments and alternative forms of payment. We're seeing that everywhere we go because it's accelerating. It's moving from every kind of merchant, CVS and grocery stores, et cetera, would prefer not to use cash. And so PayPal has been a fantastic business with an enormous number of new clients, both on the merchant side and the user side. Venmo, as an example, has become a verb that I use even. And MasterCard, Visa, I mean, they've all done well with the acceleration. We own Visa. We think they're going to grow their earnings in the mid-teen range for the next few years, and PayPal 20% plus. So we think there's a lot of room left in those names.
Nice bullish view there, Jim Lebenthal. What about you?
Well, the one that's at the top of my list to buy, I don't own it yet, is Visa. So I agree with what Carrie just said. So then the question is, why not buy it now? And it's very simple. Look, Visa is definitely tied to consumption trends. And in the short term, there's a risk to consumption in the U.S., particularly as we continue to negotiate over the next phase of stimulus. What I expect to happen, look, both sides are clearly very far apart. Sue just mentioned that on the headlines. And I think you're going to see economic statistics start to come in disappointing. That needs to go on for a couple of weeks for the politicians to get serious, during which time I would not be surprised for Visa to come down a good 5% below 200 and let me pick it up on the cheap. So that's below 200 is where I'm in on Visa.